guys, what's up? Amanda here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick monthly favorites for you guys because there's a few things that I've really been enjoying and I want to share with you. I've been on my wellness health kind of journey, just trying to be more active, especially since I just work from home usually, and the only activity I get is when I head to the office and I pack orders. So yeah, let's start off with some health and wellness things. So this is by a company called Mezcla, I think, and I picked up the pistachio chocolate. There's actually 10 grams of plant protein in here. I didn't even know it was a protein thing. I thought I was just buying like a breakfast bar. It says there's 160 calories and 10 grams of protein and 19 of carbs, but these are so good. Like, especially if I'm craving like a sweet snack or something. I've really been enjoying these, and I just went back to pick up more, and I picked up more of the flavors, but I haven't tried those yet, so I'll keep you posted on them. But this one is so good, and usually plant-based. Like, this is made with like pea protein, I think. Usually I don't like how they taste, but this is really good. Another protein favorite. I am terrible with having with drinking protein shakes, and this is something that was kind of a necessity for me. I don't know if you guys know, but 2 years ago now I had gastric sleeve done, and so I'm always on the hunt for, like, I'm trying to get as much protein, trying to get in my calories as much as possible. I have to be really selective with what I eat. Some things still upset my stomach, but I found this protein shake that is Fruity Pebbles. I mean, I'm sure it's filled with like a bunch of things that are not great for you, but I love the way that this tastes. I think the Fruity Pebbles flavor is really accurate, and in comparison to a lot of the other protein shake products on the market, I've really been enjoying this. And this is by a company called Dymatize. It says Performance Protein Shake. It's 160 calories for one shake, 30 grams of protein, only 2 grams of carbs, and I only see 1 sugar. So I've been enjoying that. Another one is Poppy. I've tried a lot of the Poppy products, and this is the only one that I really enjoy. This is the orange cream. It tastes like creamsicle. It's so good. I just picked up a few more of these, but if you're trying Poppy and you haven't found one that you enjoy, I highly suggest this one. I wish they came in the packs, but I've only found them individually at my local supermarket, which is Publix. All right, on to some other things. So I have a jewelry piece here. This is from Rare Romance. I'm obsessed with this, and I'm not usually a silver person, but when I am, this is a piece that I love, and I'm so glad I invested in it. I love it so much. It looks so good on. It catches the light so beautifully, and it's so like heavy. Like, it's quality. It's a quality product, so I really enjoy that. And then my mom purchased this for me. I believe it was for Christmas. I'm gonna try to tie it up, but it's another jewelry piece. It's from Awe Inspired. I love their pieces so much, and I want to get some more. I saw that they had a collection with forbidden fruits, which I did share. They had like a poison ring, but this is like it was like a layered piece. Hold on, let me connect the other one too. I have to cook dinner and edit my hair my hair video of how I achieved this color, but this is where I just wanted to pop on and do that while I have my makeup done. All right, so we have this necklace. So it's like a layered piece like this. I think that they are sold individually, but this one is the triple moon. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. And then this one is the Gate of Hades. It's a key. It's gorgeous. It's got the little snake on there, and they just look so nice, like layered up. I love them so much, and I can't wait to pick up a few other pieces as well. I love them. So I'm a big gold jewelry girl. So And I find it hard to find pieces that are a little bit like more alt leaning. Regal Rose has some that I absolutely love, but I've spoken about them. I'm just talking about this month's favorites. Next, we're going to talk about Cyclars. This is the in shower body oil balm. This is my backup. The other one's in the shower, and I think I'm about a third into it. So when you're done showering, you will apply this on your skin while it's wet. So I keep mine inside of the shower, and then I just like grab my towel and pat myself dry after. It says, after cleansing, turn off water, apply oil balm directly onto wet skin and massage. Do not rinse, towel dry as normal. And it like sinks in. It doesn't feel oily, and you would think that it is. And the Sacred Santal scent is so good. I've gone through already. I'm about to be done with another one of the body washes. I love the Crescent scent as well, but Sacred Santal, I love everything. I have the body oil, the body balm, the body lotion, the shower wash. I have the travel fragrance rollerball thing. I love it so much, and it's so nice to just get your moisturizing done and then head out the shower, and then you could like go about your business. It's so good. Next, I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Okay, we have Heretic's Haxan. Now, I picked up one of the Discovery scents from them, and I absolutely fell in love. I love Voodoo Lily from them. I do have Dragon's Blood. I have Blood Orange, I think it is. What's the other one I have? I have a few, and I have a bunch of the little sets. So it was like Season of the Witch set, and then another one. And I love this one so much. I don't know, it's like, let me pull up the notes for you. I'm gonna pull up the notes for you because I'm terrible at describing fragrance. But I do want to share it with you. It's so nice. It's like a little spicy, let's search fragrance. So it says Osamanthus Absolute, Turkish Rose, Oak Moss, Fossilized Amber, and Supernatural Musk. So I'm definitely getting like that amberiness. You get a little bit of that powderiness from the rose, but then there's something that feels like warm and a little bit spicy. It's such a sexy scent. I love this one so much, and I'm so glad that I picked this one up. It might dethrone Voodoo Lily. It just might. Another favorite, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I think it's Sulwhasoo. I've been using this serum. I picked it up on like one of those other sales, but I've been like alternating through some of those products that I finished a bunch of those other serums, but I notice a huge difference in my skin when I use this. I also have the cleanser that I use quite often in each bathroom. I keep a cleanser. Right now in my shower, I'm finishing up Good Molecules, but then I have the Fresh Soy cleanser. And then in the other bathroom over here, where I usually wash my face before bed, if I'm not gonna do it in the shower, I have the cleanser from this brand, and it is really nice. I'm about to be done with it, but I will definitely be repurchasing this one. I've been mixing it with my Holy Grails, you know, the Fresh Rose Emulsion. I have the Fresh exfoliating serum. I pretty much love everything from Fresh, and I've been using the Josie Moran, I think it's like a whipped face moisturizer. But even on days where I'm feeling lazy, I will just do this serum with the Rose Face Emulsion. And I've been loving it. I've been loving it so much. So I see a huge difference in that. What else? I have this tinted moisturizer, and I can't tell you if they even still make it anymore. It might be expired, but I've been enjoying it, and it has the SPF, which I really feel like I need right now. So this is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Glow Shears. No idea if it still exists, but I wanted to mention it because I've been using it a lot lately and really enjoying this one. What's another thing? Oh, I have my Armani. It is the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Concealer. This has been my go-to concealer. It's not super high coverage. It's just the right amount of coverage to use with a wide range of different base routines that I go for. Like sometimes I will want to do the Milk Hydro Grip, and other days like today I went in with the Makeup by Mario, and this works great with all of those. Or even the Neutrogena. Like I could use this with all of them, and it's so nice. Some other ones that I want to mention: the Haus Labs Peach Quartz highlighter. I've been reaching for this one a lot lately, even on days that I'm not filming. I've been really enjoying this one. And then I have the YSL Make Me Blush. It says 37. It's what I have on my cheeks today, and it's such a beautiful like rosy coral type of shade. And this is going to be perfect because I have a feeling now that I changed my hair color, I'm going to have to transition a lot of the blush tones that I reach for. So I've been enjoying this guy, and it worked so well still even with my makeup today. Is that everything? That might be everything. I'm not going to mention, oh no, Trixie sent me over, is it this color? Trixie sent over the Trixie Slix, right? And there's one shade, I think it is this one. It's called, yeah, it's called Bottoms Up. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it for you. I rolled it up too much. Let me just squeeze that back in there. I love it so much, but you could see just how beautiful. It's like this beautiful cool tone mauve-y. It's so juicy. You see the way it catches the light? It is a gorgeous cool toned mauve-y pink color. Hold on, now I need a towel. Need a towel. Oh, I almost forgot this one. I put it off to the side. But I have this daily planner from Not Koi, and I've been really enjoying this one. What I like is that it's not for every day. Like you don't have to do it every single day. So it'll put like goals. You could do goals, top priorities, your schedule, to-do list, break time, and your daily review. And then you have this page that is just like blank next to it to put whatever you'd like. I've been enjoying this, and it's been helping me knock things off of my list that I've been kind of avoiding. Plus it's so cute. I picked up a gratitude journal for, it's like, I think it was like a gratitude journal for my girls as well. And it'll have like a space to say, today I'm grateful for, and whatever. So that is what I've been enjoying lately. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, tell me what your favorites are down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm doing my best to be more active here, and I'm gonna head off and edit my hair makeover video. Love you guys. I'll see you next time. Guys, I forgot one thing. I recently picked up these Melissa sandals. They're like platform sandals. Don't judge, I have big feet, okay? And I love them so much. So that's another thing on my favorites, and they're not super heavy considering how platformy they are, but I did pick them up, and I wanted to share it with you. So just a little add-on there. Bye.
I woke up today feeling like royalty.